I woke up this morning and the only thing that I had in my house were eggs and vegetables. So I decided to make an omelette egg roll. So I've just added my vegetables into the bowl and I'm also going to add salt. So I didn't have any chilies and I just didn't feel like going anywhere to get them. So I just decided to cook them anyway. So I'm just oiling my pan over here. And then I'm just going to add a very thin layer of the eggs because I want to make sure that it's much easier when I'm rolling them out. So just let it dry up and then start rolling. So just push it to the edge of the pan and oil your pan once more. Then continue adding your egg. Continue repeating the process over and over again until your egg roll is done. As for me, I prefer my egg roll on the browner side. So once you're done here, I'm just going to serve my egg roll onto the board. I just sliced it through so that you can see how it looks inside.